Hi, it's Hazel, your friendly neighborhood drag queen and international supermodel, here to give you a quick tutorial on how to achieve a basic drag eye and brow. Now, I'll mostly be using products that you can find at your local drugstore, so here's what you'll need. First things first, it is of the utmost importance that you wash and moisturize your skin before putting this much makeup on it, okay? Alright, let's get started. Use the brush end of your eyebrow pencil and brush your brows up and out to their fullest potential. Time for glue. I recommend Disappearing Purple if you can find it. Glue your brows down and check the mirror to make sure they're laying flat from all perspectives. Every side, every angle. Depending on how thick your brows are, you may need to do several layers of glue. A small plastic comb can also help you smooth out any bumps. It's easiest to do this while the glue is still wet and malleable. I always keep a makeup wipe handy to brush away excess product. Give the brows a little time to begin drying before the next step. Get a good amount of translucent powder on the application sponge and press firmly to the brow. Press and pat until it's even and smooth. A lot of queens block their brows fully to create even more space to play with. I actually like to keep a bit of my natural brow at the end to help map where my new brows will go. Now that both of the brows are blocked, we'll add 2 pieces of tape to help guide the lines of your new eyelids. Once your tape is laid, grab an angled brush and the eyeshadow base. If you can't find a white base, a light cream concealer will work too. This is a very important step, especially for my melanated queens. This base will allow colors to really pop against your skin. You'll eventually create a triangle above each of your eyes. Keep in mind that the top of each triangle will be the baseline for your new brows. Before adding the eyeshadow, trace out where your new brows will go. Use a color that's a little lighter than the actual brow you want in the end. Don't fill them all the way in. These are here just as a guide, as we shape the eyelids. Don't worry if it doesn't look great. Remember, drag is a journey. This is an eye contour kit from the drugstore. I'll only use colors from this, since you might not have an extensive collection of eyeshadow. This store-found kit also comes with 2 double-sided applicators, so you can use each side per color. Eyeshadow tip: when it comes to applying, pat, don't pull. Envision soft little kisses gently placing the pigment on your eyelids. Forming the cut crease. This is typically the darkest color of the eye. Begin from the base of the brow and create a crescent shape, like so. Once you've completed both sides, reapply more shadow base, this time very carefully carving out your new eyelid. This is where the brighter color will go. This is also why I love using an angled brush. It makes this part much simpler. Be careful not to mix colors into your white as you apply. Use some water or a makeup wipe to clean the brush as you go. Once your eyeshadow base is dried a little, begin to apply your color. Remember, pat, pat, pat. Let's bring the drama with the winged eyeliner. I love using a lacquered eyeliner and an angled brush. This makes it much less intimidating. I usually try and make a wing that kisses the new eye crease but doesn't go all the way to the brow. Now that your wings are flying, you can begin your under eye. Start by grabbing your white eyeliner pencil and applying to your waterline. First timers, don't be afraid to get in there. Poking your eye doesn't hurt that much. Beauty is pain. Now you can apply mascara to your top lashes. Okay, now it's time to bring your brows to life. Using the same lacquer liner and angled brush we used for the eyeliner, we're going to begin painting the bottom of your brow. Next, begin drawing the top lines of your brows. Make sure not to fill them in yet. You'll need space to paint the individual hairs. Once your brows are outlined, fill in the individual hairs. Angle the lines towards the back of your brow. Once your brows are done, you can remove the tape. Clean up any extra product with a wipe. Okay kitties, we're almost done. Finish up by extending the bottom of the waterline with a white eyeshadow base. You can add more color below the wing liner for added drama. Finally, let's add lashes. I've actually stacked up 2 pairs of lashes and glued them together to make them fuller. I also have black lash glue. This allows for a more seamless illusion when the glue dries. Apply the lash glue carefully, as to not get it into the actual lashes, and allow time for the glue to become sticky so that the lashes adhere the first time and don't slide around your eyelid. I usually place my lashes from the center of my real eye and angle up towards the top of the winged liner. So this is pretty much it. I'm going to just add a few finishing touches. Ooh, look who decided to show up, yes. Well, I hope this was helpful and that you had a little fun. If so, leave a tip. Happy Pride, my hazelnuts.